born with a congenital anomaly that prevented the proper development of my tib and fib. At the age of 2, the doctors gave my mom the choice either to amputate or put growth rods in my legs. It was a hard decision, but the best decision on my mom's part to do the amputation at an early age, at the age of 2. If she would have chose the other procedure, which was put the growth rods in, at that time, I would be in and out of surgeries all through my adolescent and high school years and stuff like that. So, I mean, it was the best decision to get the amputation. Always heard negative all my life. You can't do this, you can't do that, you can't drive a car, you can't play the drums, not alone ride a motorcycle or a four-wheeler. I get a lot of stares. It used to bother me when I was a kid. I developed a complex where I didn't want to be around large crowds of people because everybody's staring at me. You can hear people sniffing and giggling and laughing, and I had a hard time going through school. It seemed like those same people that picked on me and looked down on me, and they're like my #1 fans now. People see me on TV every now and then, they think I've made it already. I mean, I'm just an average Joe, paycheck to paycheck. The main thing is being an inspiration to others. Ain't been out in a minute, but I'm still playing crazy.